In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join the Wix marketplace for the year 2025. We're going to take you through this process step by step, so you'll have all the tools you need to get started and become a part of this thriving community of creators and entrepreneurs. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Wix website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in wix.com or follow the link to their main site. Once you land on the homepage, you'll see the option to create a website right away. Look for the button that says Get Started and go ahead and click on that. This will initiate the process of signing up for a Wix account if you haven't done so already. If you already have an account, you can simply log in. But for those who are new, the next step is to click on the Sign Up button, which nicely guides you through creating your profile. An easy way to breeze through this is by opting for Continue with Google. This streamlines the process by connecting directly to your Google account, allowing you to skip some manual details and avoid remembering yet another password. Once your Wix account is all set up, the next destination is the Wix Marketplace, specifically located at Wix.com Marketplace. Exciting, right? Here's where the real fun begins. Once you've reached the marketplace, you'll want to click on the Explore Services section. This is an essential hub for exploring what services are available, and more importantly, it lets you dive deep into the world of experts ready to help enhance your web projects. After checking out these services, feel free to take a look at the expert profiles and see what they offer. You might even consider going back to explore some more once you've gotten a feel for what's available. It's a great opportunity to find potential collaborators to help bring your vision into reality. Next, navigate to Explore Templates, another fantastic feature within the marketplace. Clicking on this option will lead you to a vast selection of templates that you can use as the foundation for your own website creation. These templates are professionally designed, and utilizing them allows you to craft a stunning site more easily and efficiently. Finally, when you come across the selection stating 290 studio templates found, click on that to view a rich variety of customizable options. Sifting through these templates can give you great insight and inspiration on how you can develop your own unique site style. And there you have it. Following these steps, you're now well equipped to join the Wix marketplace and start making your mark in the digital world. Thanks for watching, and make sure to tune in next time for more informative guides like this one.